Shannel. Baby mother. Me see mostly Shannel. So Shannel me atam. Shannel me atam. Tell me Shannel. New girl. A new girl. So wanna see new girl. You see her face? She pretty though. Hey boy, where you say about Shannel warm? You know see me go black you? Where they? The two blood clot disrespectful. I go find her ass. Oh Shannel warm. Okay. Your mother want pussy, original. The damn blood clot mouth look big. 8,000 followers, you know, no sense. Come down. Fucking mouth big like. Anybody this me baby mother gonna black on the blood clot. And that's why how much? Like 2 hours I like.
Thank you for the donor.
This TT.
Someone's for 6 years and then you're talking about she's running you down? How's she running you down when you guys been with
she run me down. Me never say she listen to me. You know listen, bro.
I'm listening, but what you're saying doesn't make no sense.
Look here. Say me here your date right now, bro. And you come round me. And me say do not itch up on my mother. They don't itch up on my people them. Cause me know how they stay. If I me you come round me bad man. Yeah, my baby mother, you don't know my people in town already. But you love run up back at them so you get where you have to get, bro.
Okay, you're okay. I get what you're saying. So you're right. So it's time for your baby mother to take heed and realize, say that she's not gonna get no respect from none of you guys, and she needs to go her way.
And this is because I say one bag of things to her or something. Mr. Shannel, that's how you get because I tell you already.
The disrespect comes from everywhere. It comes from you. It comes from them. Not just them alone. It comes from you too. And now you have her there with TT. And then she's the next one. I don't know where you're finding these girls with low self-esteem, but my God, I feel sorry for them because I don't know how TT and she sit on there and take nonsense like this. I don't know what guys you guys call prank, but it's not no prank.
Me did over nobody.
Okay.
Yeah, over nobody.
Yesterday, your mom classed the girl out on roadside in wherever town you guys were, and then 5 hours later, she ever sit down there like.
Bro. You say me such a bad person. Why them woman they don't want to leave from around me, brother? Why they don't want to leave from around me? Why? Me no stick nobody in my life. Me no pin down nobody in my life, brother. Why they itch up around me said we if I am such a bad fucking person? Me not understand. Me they don't understand.
I don't know what to tell you. So do you want to be with your baby mother or do you want to be with TT or do you want to be with this next new girl?
You see right now, my mates are the can't be with nobody. Cause right now them just stress me out, brother. Stress out.
How are they stressing you? You're stressing yourself out because you're bringing all the drama in your life.
Who I bring drama for life? You see me when last you see me for life?
I never said live. I said in your life. You're bringing drama in your life. You wouldn't have this drama. I mean, listen, if you were a proper jealous, you wouldn't even have these issues. You don't know how to be a jealous. So just tend to one girl and done.
True. I don't know if you be one jealous. I don't know if you blood clot ahead. You can't hide a blood clot.
And even if you wanted to hide, see, say your people them storyline half the time. Them a
Yeah,
keep
they
you in
ever they
a,
pan live. They, if one of them they pan live, the next one they pan live. Also, also,
so you want your sons to grow up in a galangsa, and I see how everyone class their mama on roadside.
what class them one?
Everybody is.
Look here, everybody a class me too. I mean, I pay them no mind.
You don't read the comments. You don't see screen recordings. That's embarrassing.
You know, read the comments for me.
That could cause somebody to have a mental breakdown.
Me they have one mental breakdown too.
You see how you don't take nothing serious? Look at you.
Look here, then class me too. Then class me every day. She just have. I would tell him to go take up social media or TikTok. At them, bro. They have to just hold up their stress. Come there, hold up for me.
So what stress you have right now?
I don't want to talk about that part life.
Because you have one crawling down the wall in a ball for you outside in a restaurant, and a cuss your little sister because she's accusing your sister of hiding girl, and no girl didn't care with you. And then you have the next one, a dance, and I go on like she doesn't care. Oh, she a ball over him, and me not care because he's not my husband.
And you expect to get wife up.
So why wouldn't she expect to get wife up if she's with you for 6 years and has 2 kids by you?
And a Shannel me attack you right thing.
Are you talking about
You
TT?
say a dance and a wine up and bag of man. That's the one they attack.
I hear you. You're talking about what she do from what she don't do, but didn't you go pick her up? You didn't care when she was dancing before.
After me never know. You gotta lie to me.
You never knew she was a dancer.
No, oh you know say me didn't know that. You did ask me?
So you didn't know that she was a go-go.
No. Brother, I'm not laugh.
Okay, but even after the fact you found out she was a go-go, you still had her around, didn't you?
I mean, I don't really already.
So then why are you styling her now? That doesn't make no sense.
Me not style her, but
Yeah, you are, because you said why would she get wife up?
because she a wine for a bag of man, bro. And me have feelings too, bro.
So what? What if she was a big pop star and she had to go make music video and wind up on man? What's the difference?
I'm not my type of girl. That.
You would take it then though if she had the money rolling in though, right?
Yeah, I'm not my type of girl that. That's why me can't dish. That's why me can't put on Shannel no day, cause Shannel ain't not the dance.
You put down Shannel every day.
Me don't mean like that. Me cuss her and something, but and that's what me mean. Me mean like if me a pick one smarty, if me a pick smarty, me not pick nobody over Shannel. Is it? Like certain things Shannel nah do me. She have respect for me. Eating and
Okay, she has respect for you. Do you have respect for her?
yeah.
Honestly, Chanel's only doing all of this because she actually loves you. I don't think she's doing any of this because she actually wants to. She's only doing this because she don't want to lose you.
The case can't done now.
No, because you don't take nothing serious. You just sit on there and go along like everything's okay.
Me not going like everything okay. Me there to start smoke out my lungs. Cause me stress out.
How old are you, Dragga?
45.
You're not 45. How old are you?
How old me look?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you.
How old me look? If you just look for me, how old you think me look? No read them comments there. Just tell me how old me look to you.
I don't know. You look like in your early 20s, mid 20s.
Like 21.
No, maybe 22, 23, 24.
I people in my comments I tell you that.
Well, you're not older than that.
Of course, me at 28.
You're 28. So you're 2 years from 30. You don't think it's time to like buckle up now?
I joke, me at 24. Me at 24, man. I joke, me like.
All right, Dragga. Well, you have yourself a good night.
Alright, you too.
Bye.
Dragga, you make man look bad overall.
Me a one man, you know, ma'am.
Why you stay so?
What me stay?
Me dying feel sick down, relax. Boy, you have the two woman them like mascot. Why you do that?
No come, alright, later me talk to you, cause me can't
And
talk
he's a
about.
good little boy, you know. Why you don't behave yourself?
Me a behave, as far today. Look here, me want to talk about him. See. Me want to talk about him. See. Me come about something different.